boys and girls, and welcome back. We are learning our last alphabet letter today. The last one we have to learn, and then we're going to go back and we're going to start reviewing our alphabet that we've learned so far. Today we're going to be talking about this letter. Does anybody know the name of this letter? This is the letter Q. Can you all say Q with me? Q. And Q says qua. Q says qua. Kind of a funny sound. It's kind of like you stick together a C sound and a W sound. So it's qua, qua. Let's make that Q sound together. Qua, qua, qua. Here is our alpha friend for the letter Q. Her name is Queenie Queen. Queenie and Queen start with a Q. If you look at her without a Q on her, you can still kind of see the shape of a lowercase q with her belly and her robe. She's in the shape of a lowercase q. We're going to read a story about the letter Q. If you look at the top, we've got an uppercase Q and a lowercase q there. This is called the quiet quail. Quiet and quail have a Q at the beginning and that qua sound. So here is the quiet quail. A quail is a kind of bird. So we're going to read all about this quiet quail, and I want you to put your listening ears on and see what other qua sounds you hear in our story. Quincy is a quiet quail. He likes to do quiet things. Quincy likes to snuggle with his favorite quilt and listen to the quiet pitter-pat of the rain. Quincy likes to sit quietly and read. Quincy likes to take quiet walks. Sometimes on his quiet walks, Quincy meets his friend Dottie Duck. Dottie is not very quiet. In fact, Dottie is quite loud. Quack, quack, quack! Hi, Quincy! Quack, quack! Shouts Dottie. Hello, Dottie, whispers the quiet quail. Quincy and Dottie sit in the park. Quack, 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 shouts Dottie. What a beautiful day! Quack, quack! Dottie quacks and quacks till Quincy's head hurts. Dottie, please quit quacking, says Quincy. But Dottie is quacking so loudly she does not hear the quiet quail. Quincy decides to go for a swim to drown out Dottie's quacking. He spreads his quilt on the grass and jumps in the pond. Suddenly, Queenie the dog trots by. She grabs Quincy's quilt and runs away. My quilt! Cries Quincy. Someone stop Queenie! But Quincy's voice is too quiet. No one hears him. Queenie runs right past Dottie. That's Quincy's quilt, quacks Dottie. Catch Queenie, quick! The other animals hear Dottie's loud quacking and they chase Queenie. Queenie is quick, but the other animals are quicker. They snatch Quincy's quilt from Queenie's teeth. They give the quilt back to Quincy. Quincy thanks all the animals for rescuing her quilt, especially Dottie. Your loud quacking saved the day, Quincy tells Dottie. And for once, the quiet quail is happy to have such a noisy friend. How many things can you see in this picture that begin with the letter Q with that qua, qua sound? See what Q words you can find and send them to me. Give you a minute or two to look. And we're going to do our Q cheer. You ready? I'm going to say it, and when I point, you say it back to me. Q is for quail. And a quilt for your bed. Q is for queen. With a crown on her head. Q is for quack. And a quarter to spend. Q is for a quarrel you have with a friend. Hooray for Q! Big and small. The quaintest, quirkiest letter of all. Good job. What is the name of that letter? That letter is Q, and Q says qua. Q says qua. All right, we're going to do our Q sound page. You need to get this page out of your packet. We know what to do on these pages, don't we? I'm just going to go over the directions, and I'm going to tell you the names of the pictures, and then you're going to color only the pictures that start with the Q sound. The Q sound is Q. So you're only going to color the Q pictures. Here are your pictures. You've got a diamond, question mark, a pear, a net. This thing that holds the arrows is called a quiver, a quail, a banjo, a queen, a quilt, a hamburger. This slice is a quarter, that means 1/4, a quarter of the pie. And this little girl is saying, shh, be quiet. All right, so diamond, question mark, pear, net, quiver, quail, banjo, queen, quilt, hamburger, quarter, and quiet. Only color the Q words. All right, tomorrow we will learn how to write the letter Q. I will see you then.